Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to be cleaning up my house. My husband has been on baby bonding for the last week and a half, and we've been basically out and about almost every single day. So my house has been a disaster. It's actually looking better because we were able to clean up just a tad bit here and there, but it's not that great. So we're going to go ahead and clean up a little bit. I sent the big boys out to the backyard. I have my little one right here. And we're just gonna clean up, and hopefully I can get a lot of things done today, but we'll see. Let's get started. Okay, so I need to get started on some laundry. I already put a load of laundry in. This is the boys' clothing. I still have my husband and my clothing, and then also our towels. But I'm trying not to stress out too much about getting things done because, again, my husband is home and we're kind of like on relax mode, but at the same time we need to get things done, or I need to get things done while my husband is with the kids. What's up? Kid number one just came in. You want to say hi?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Hi.
Hi. Okay, close the door, okay?
Yeah.
Anyways, I'm trying not to stress out too much because, yes, my house needs to be clean and everything, but we obviously live here, so it's gonna get messy and things are gonna be out of place a lot of the times. Bless you. So we need to, I mean, they're just gonna be out of place and we just kind of have to deal with it, and it's okay. And I'm the kind of person that stresses out and gets overwhelmed very, very quickly, and I just need to keep on reminding myself, it's okay, Blanca, it's okay. You know, you'll get back into a routine, you'll get back into a schedule. And one, it's been hard because my husband has been home and we have been going out a lot. It's not his fault, we've been going out a lot. But two, it's also hard because Adam just wants to be with me, and anytime I put him down or I hand him over to somebody, he just cries and wants to be with me. So that's kind of hard. But then I also have to remind myself that he's only going to be this little one, so I just need to go with it. I was able to put this little one down, so we'll see how he does. He's either gonna love it or he's gonna hate it. We'll see. Okay, so I'm starting off in the living room. I was able to get the boys to actually clean up all of Michael's toys and stuff like that, so that's pretty nice. I am going to take off the covers on my cushions, all of them, because if you guys can see, there's like stains on them. And some of this, a lot of this is milk from Michael's, my little one's milk. But another, it's also pee because he's still potty training since we had a reverse. Huh?
It peed out.
You what?
It peed out.
Anyways, like I was saying, my toddler is having a potty training regression, so some of these are also pee. Okay, sorry for all the interruptions, but yes, some of these stains right here that you guys can see, they're also from Michael having like a potty training regression and just like peeing everywhere. So I need to take out the covers, wash them, and actually clean out the cushions because I'm sure they're disgusting. And yeah, so we'll see how Adam does down here. He's calm for now. We'll see, and we'll see how many distractions we get. But let's go ahead and get started. I basically cleaned the whole living room. I vacuumed the carpet and the floor, and I will not mop until probably later tonight when they're both asleep. But I still have other things to do during the day, so you guys will just come along with me as I'm cleaning up today. Pretty late now. The day really got away from us, plus we had some visit and they stayed a while. Anyways, Michael just brought in all the cushions and all the covers from outside, and he's working on those right here for me while I'm cleaning up the kitchen, so you guys can watch him put all the cushions together. They smell a lot better and they look a lot cleaner. So I'm gonna do this for now. Well, he's gonna do this for now, and then we're gonna get some cleaning, more cleaning done later on when the two boys go to sleep. So the boys just went to sleep. It's 9:06 and I have to talk really quietly because I swear they have bionic ears, and if they hear me, they're both gonna wake up. So Michael, my husband, is cleaning the bathroom for me. He cleans the bathroom, the counter, the toilet, and then cleans Michael's little toilet where he potty trains, and then picks up whatever he can from there, like extra clothes or whatever's on the floor. And he usually helps me with that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna finish cleaning up the living room, and then I'm done. I'm tired, but I got things done today, and that's exciting. The living room smells so good because the couches are nice and clean, and it smells really good. Anyways, let's go ahead and mop, sweep, and do all of that so that we can be finished for tonight. Guys, one of the kids is awake. I'm hoping he goes back to sleep because I do not feel like going back in there. I've already gone back in there like 2 times because they heard me. Alright, finished mopping, thank God. It feels a lot better. While I was mopping, Michael was playing video games, but he had actually already helped me clean the bathroom out, so that was really nice. I put all the furniture back, and I need to do at least 1 load of laundry before I call it a night for today. It's almost 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock I plan on sitting down and just having some relaxing time by myself. So let me do this load of laundry, and then we're gonna call it a night. I'm done for tonight. I have my hair down and I'm just sitting down on my couch relaxing for a little bit. Feels nice sitting down on clean couches, to be honest with you. Anyways, I hope you guys found this video somewhat motivating and you're able to get some things done in your house. I know sometimes things take too long, or you just can't find the right time and you just don't have a full hour of doing something and being able to fully finish. But as you guys can see, you know, I didn't have that time either, and I just, you know, split it up and just figured out how to do it, you know. Sometimes 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there, it adds up. And then once you're completely done, it maybe took you an hour, just, you know, broke it up. And yeah, anyways, I hope you guys found it motivating. I hope you guys get some things done in your home, because I know my home definitely needed it. And, you know, next time, it's the bathroom, because the bathroom needs a good clean. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, I hope that you'll subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.